My name is MUHAMAD ISMAIL and I'm from class 2 BINTI.
Assalamualaikum. My name is AZIMAH binti AZMAN with matrix number B09201216. I am from class of 2BMMH S101.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya MUHAMAD AIMIZARITH dari kelas 2 BMSH section 111.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FATINI. My matrix number is B09201007.
A very good day. My name is DARSHAN and my ID number is B09201037. Okay, now we have to take out the fan on the side of the box.
Then we put some ice packs into the bottom of the box. This ice pack function is to make sure the ice and the water inside the box will stay cool longer than usual, so that the airflow go through the outside and to the surrounding will stay cool.
Then we put the fan back at the side of the box.
To put in the ice cube, we have to remove the top of the box cover. After removing it, we have to put the ice on top of the net. So the function of the ice is to produce cool air to the surrounding. And now we have to make sure that we spread the ice evenly on the netting. So for netting, it acts as a support to withstand the ice cubes from falling down and also to avoid the ice cubes from touching the fan. After spreading the ice, we have to close the box.
After that, turn on the portable fan speed to 3, which was the maximum speed of this portable fan. Then set the fan to the top of the box. These portable fans are used to replace the blowers. This equipment function is to increase the velocity of air or gas when passed through equipment impellers. They are mainly used for flow of air or gas required for exhausting, aspirating, cooling, ventilating and conveying. For this portable air conditioner, it needs one quantity of portable fan to be placed at the top to carry through the cold air, and another one quantity of fan at the side of the box to supply air through the cool ice.
You can use power bank also to switch on the fan.
Put the L pipe on the top of the fan. A leading use of PVC pipe for building infrastructure is in air ventilation and exhaust handling. In building air ventilation, PVC is often used to run ductwork for HVAC, air conditioning and heating system. It is to deliver the airflow to specific area. If the water is full, you can open the valve at pipe connector. Pipe connector are used to combine, divert or reduce the flow of the water supply, and they come in a variety of size to fit the pipe they will connect, to remove overflow water when needed.
Finally, this is our fully functional project looks.